This is a difficult conversation to have. We talked about this before we recorded this. A lot of people are very squeamish, different cultures. They don't want to have this conversation. It's considered rude or bad luck to talk about if a family member has a will and stuff like that. But it's a conversation we need to have to avoid the stress and everything that we just discussed, all the bad things, all the extra money and stuff like that. We don't need to be spending extra money when all we have to do is just have the conversation. So how do you approach, like, let's say for me, example, I go to my mom and I'm like, hey, mom, we need to talk about your will, your trust. How do I have the conversation?
I would say nobody wants to talk about death. We want to be happy. We don't want to talk about death. But we can always say, okay, I want to protect your assets. I want to make sure if something bad happens, we can still control the assets instead of the government, instead of losing money. So I just want to make sure if we pass away, we have the peace of mind to control our assets and protect our assets.